The Appleton Contender LED Series Luminaire by Emerson mounts directly to a select offering of Crouse-Hinds Champ Series mounting hoods. Before removing the legacy luminaire, first make sure that the power is turned off and the fixture is de-energized. Then, determinate the existing wiring and remove the legacy ballast body, checking to make sure the mounting hood is not damaged. With 3 light output levels and 4 interchangeable globes, the Contender LED is a lightweight, low-profile luminaire that is ideal for retrofitting HID fixtures up to 175 watts. To install, hang the Contender LED housing on the hinge. Connect the electric power supply leads to the cord that comes out of the top of the luminaire. 12 inches of cord is provided from the top of the fixture with stripped leads. If less cord is required, the installer may cut the wires shorter and restrip. Make sure the hood is grounded to the luminaire by attaching the ground wire to the cord provided. Once wired, swing the luminaire into position and tighten the captive bolt with a 3/8 wrench or nut driver into the Crouse-Hinds hood until the luminaire is tightly secured. The fixture can now be energized. By installing an Appleton Contender LED Series luminaire, the existing mounting hood, conduit, and wiring can remain in place, saving time, labor costs, and facility downtime. Visit masteringled.com to view more Appleton LED lighting solutions for harsh industrial and hazardous areas.